really feel that public buyers have a huge responsibility to tackle the challenges in their supply chains. And I think many procurement officers don't realize how much power they have to take steps, even if they are small steps, they can make a real difference for people on the ground. So I would really like to encourage public procurement officers to start to work with it and gradually, increase their activities in this area. Well, yes, the university itself is it's the biggest university in Belgium, and it procures a lot of products and services for several hundreds of millions of euro per year. So as such, it's an important buyer. And we do a lot of research about business and human rights. And we felt that it was really important to also look at our internal practices. And we found out that in at least 9 different products and services there are real risks, human rights risks. So we started initially in 2019. The university was already taking some steps. It was buying fair trade products and things like that. But we really kicked off in 2019 when we did a few pilot projects looking into products such as ICT and some of the catering. And based on those pilot projects, we started exploring the risks in there, and we also engaged with the suppliers to talk about those human rights risks.
It became evident that the environmental issues had to be complemented with social questions together with the economic questions, and together we can work in a sustainable way to get better products, better services, more quality, and for a price that in the long run is better. They understand more and more that this is the fun part, this is the interesting part, and this is also the creative part, because if we don't know our supply chains, we cannot understand the risks we are taking together with the supplier when we are buying things from all over the world. And also, if we understand the supply chain and the risks, we can be an interesting partner for the supplier. Right now we are looking into textiles like bed sheets and towels and so on, and we are doing a deep down risk analysis of the production sites where our textiles are produced. And then our ambition is to sit together with suppliers, with civil society, and talk about, okay, what are the different steps and measures we have to take as different actors within the supply chain to be able to create a better working conditions.
So the city of Oslo, we buy goods and services for more than 36 billion Norwegian kroner annually. This means we have a big purchasing power, and we need to use this power in really pushing things forward. We know that there are human rights violations in our supply chains, and we can use this purchasing power and really pushing things forward in the supply chain to make a change.